to Resipod, your go-to source for everything silicone. Today, we are focusing on a vital subject, sustainable product stewardship, a practice that redefines product development and lifecycle management. So, what does it take to create product that meets the consumer need while preserving the planet for future? Let's explore how sustainability goes beyond eco-friendly materials and impacting every stage of our product's journey. Along the way, you'll get to know the mottos for sustainability. Let's get started and explore how we can build a sustainable tomorrow.
Hi, everyone, and welcome you all to the 8th podcast. Here we will be discussing on the topic Sustainable Product Stewardship. So, I am Dr. Manju Philip, and I work in the Product Development and Research Division. I work on sustainable bio-based and enzymatic products for the textile application department. I am joined here by two of my very capable colleagues, Princy and Arasi. Welcome you both to this podcast. Let us now know what is sustainability. Sustainability is something that can sustain itself. That is why the word sustainable. To learn more about sustainability, product stewardship, product life cycle, and all the associated terms included or told about in product stewardship, I will be asking Princy and Arasi to talk more and enlighten us on this topic. So let us hear more from these two eminent colleagues of mine who are here. Starting with Arasi, can you first tell me about yourself and what is your role in product stewardship?
Thank you, Dr. Manju, for having me here to discuss a crucial and timely topic. This subject, I would say, needs attention across all industries at every level, from frontline workers to executive decision makers. Both on a personal and a professional level, this topic deeply resonates with me. I am Arasi, leading the Product Stewardship and Sustainability team at Arasi. In addition, I oversee a team focused in developing cutting-edge technologies for plastics and the associated industries. I'm passionate about driving a positive change, especially through my work at the intersection of innovation and sustainability. I look forward to an engaging conversation with both of you today.
Thank you and welcome, Arasi. So, Princy, can you please tell us something about yourself and what is your work in product stewardship and compliance here at Resil?
Thank you, Dr. Manju. Good morning, all. I am Princy. I'm taking care of compliance and sustainability division of Resil as well as our NN World Technology Private Limited. I have been associated with Resil for the last 5 years, and my journey at Resil was quite interesting and exciting. I really blessed to have one of the wonderful best team along with us. The product stewardship team at Resil always ensure that the product we manufacture are not only effective and innovative, but also safe, sustainable and compliant with various domestic and international regulatory bodies' guidelines. As a whole at Resil, we always ensure a comprehensive chemical solution throughout the vertical. As a nutshell, we product team responsible for various product certification activity as well as different product stewardship assessment process. Thank you.
Thank you, Princy, and welcome to this podcast. Now, just to address the elephant in this room, as you can see, we are all three synchronized, have come the same t-shirt, thanks to our HR who helped us get this. And each of us have come up with a logo, which says something which means a lot to us in terms of sustainability. So starting with mine, I would like to tell sustainability starts with us is my motto here. And what I meant to say by this is the earth has very limited resources. These resources are being exploited by all of us every day. But sustainability means to maintain, to control and conserve these resources so that it lasts forever for all our future generations ahead. So this cannot be an effort done individually. It is a collective effort by you and me and all of us. Hence, I have used this term, sustainability starts with us. And interestingly, we all have got a motto in terms of sustainability. I would first like to ask Princy, Yours says sustainability, green is the new black. What does this do in terms of sustainability? And does it mean you're talking about the color trends here?
Definitely, it is not mentioning about any of the color trend, what exactly mentioned here. It is something a deeper shift, what exactly happening in the present fashion industry. The black is considered as a glossy, versatile, celebrated color in the fashion industry. But if you observe the present trend in the fashion industry, we can see that the green has dominated over black. It is something that people are now behind the eco-friendly, sustainable material. And the brands, the consumer, they are started recognizing the importance of having sustainable practice or importance of having green material like recycled fabrics or an organic cotton or something like the plant-based dyes. That will give a lot of encouragement for them to sustain this fashion world. I can also tell that this circular fashion model is also achieving a momentum in this current world. Like the dress that is designed in such a way that it can be recycled many times or it can be reused for many times. People are going behind that. Again, I can also tell that the dress, if it is designed in such a way that it has a less impact on the environment, people are choosing that. So I have a suggestion to my audience. If you go for the next outfit, please, please keep in the mind that green is the real black. So let us together work and let us together embrace the concept of sustainable future where sustainability and fashion goes in hand.
Sure, we'll remember that next time.
Thank you.
So, Tamil, what can you say about your logo here?
Yeah, so both of you have an interesting concept. Mine says sustainability is the new culture. Only with a cultural shift can we truly reach a goal of a sustainable planet, protecting the planet and the earth. At Ressil, we believe sustainability systems and processes should be a part of everything that we do. The key to driving this cultural change is education and training. It starts with our schools, universities, apprenticeships, and it continues in the workplace, at home, in clubs, and in communities. This is how we create a cultural shift towards sustainability, making it a natural part of our lives.
Yeah, that's very true. So, now coming to our real topic here today, Princy, can you please say what is product stewardship and how is it connected to sustainability?
Before going to the topic, so can anyone of you tell what you mean by product stewardship? It sounds something fancy, right?
Right.
So I just wanted to know what you mean by stewardship.
Stewardship is the role or responsibility of a person to take care of the entire life cycle.
Absolutely.
So, I say that it's willing to go above and beyond taking on responsibilities.
Thank you so much for your valuable input. Now my work is reduced here. So sustainability is nothing but it is a responsible management of a product throughout its life cycle, starting from the design, manufacture, distribution, use, ultimately the disposal or recycle. So I can easily tell that Ressil always embrace the concept of sustainability in every aspect of our process. The product stewardship team always responsible for the environmental social impact of our product every stage of its life cycle. Like I mentioned before, starting from the design, from the end of this disposal. Then coming to a next question, what do you mean by sustainability? As you have already explained your introductory talk, sustainability I can also mention in this way that it's all about we don't want to wreck our planet for our future generation. We don't want it to suck the entire energy sources, or we don't need to pollute the complete things what we see in front of our eyes. Or at last, we don't want it to leave a barrel of waste land for our kids. So it's all about sustainability. Then the interlink between sustainability and product stewardship, I can just mention that one in a one word. Product stewardship is the one of the important tool for this achieving the sustainability guidelines.
Okay. So, Tamil, in context of this, how will you manage the strict regulatory guidelines that product stewardship has to go through?
Yes, this is a very important question. We strive to stay up to date with global safety and regulation standards. At Brazil, we see these challenges as opportunities to grow and innovate. So we take measures by embedding systems and processes into the product development lifecycle itself. So if I have to break down into three key aspects, first would be comprehensive risk assessment. This includes evaluation of inputs, raw materials, process, manufacturing, outputs, that is finished goods. Second would be strict adherence to global standards. We ensure that we comply all our products with international and environmental regulations like REACH, ZDHC, US EPA, European Commission's ECA, wherever and whichever is applicable. Third would be commitment to sustainability and stewardship. Safety goes hand in hand with sustainability. We prioritize green chemistry and invest in safer alternatives or low impact chemicals to restricted substances. So, with this approach, we build trust with our customers and reinforces Resil's commitment to sustainability while delivering high quality products.
Oh, these are some really thought provoking words here from Tamil. So, Princy, how is product stewardship becoming increasingly important in the market these days?
Oh, that's again an interesting question from Dr. Manchu. As you know that nowadays we are facing a lot of global challenges like climate change, to energy depletion, resources depletion, or waste accumulation, on those things. Day in and day out, we are facing all this problem that is creating a lot of hurdles in our day-to-day life as well. So this is the right time we have to think about how we can reduce this environmental footprint. Here, the product stewardship plays a crucial role, like shifting away this traditional linear economy like take, make, and dispose to a circular economy where we emphasize more about reuse, recycle, and a sustainable design. I can always tell that adopting this product stewardship practice always support increasing our sustainability principle. Not only that, it parallelly improve our brand reputation as well.
Okay. So, how does Resil adhere or address to the requirements of the brands?
Okay. So at Resil, we understand the delicate balance between meeting customers' demands and complying with the regulatory standards. So we take a proactive approach in investing technologies to develop products that not only meet the current demands, but also, meet the sustainability requirements as well. In addition, we also comply all our products and certify all our products with leading certification bodies and demonstrating our commitment to sustainability. This approach, with this approach, we ensures that our brands and customers can rely on us to provide solutions with products that are not only eco-friendly, but meeting the highest standards of quality, safety, and sustainability.
Yeah, so in connection to this, how does Resil adhere to the safety norms and improve the or boost, we can say, to the Resil's portfolio?
So, as I just mentioned to your previous question, we maintain a delicate balance between meeting the customer's demands and also meeting the regulatory requirements. So, not only we meet the current customer demands, but we also anticipate future trends. And we invest in technologies and we prioritize green chemistry and taking safer alternatives, invest technologies. As I just mentioned to your previous question, at Resil, we focus on developing products that not only meet current customer demands, but we also invest in advanced technologies with anticipating the future trends. So, by staying ahead of the sustainability trends and investing in advanced technologies, we create solutions that resonates both with the brands and consumers. So our commitment to sustainability, safety, and quality ensures that our products meet the highest quality standards and the highest, regulatory policymaker standards. So this ensures, or this proactive approach helps our BD team to build trust and strengthens relationships with customers. And Resil is also fortunate to have loyal customers who value companies like ours, prioritizing sustainability, safety, and quality. As a result, we open new market opportunities and build customer loyalty, ultimately boosting Resil's performance and growth.
Yeah, that's really the right way to go, I think. So now that we have understood about product stewardship, sustainability, how brand loyalty, circularity, product life cycle, all this play a key role in product stewardship, let us go to the next phase of this discussion by learning what are the challenges that they face as product stewards. So, starting with you, Princy, can you please tell us something about what are the challenges that you will face as a product stewardship person?
Definitely, the journey towards sustainability is not an easy task for us. There are a lot of challenges and barriers that we are facing in the day-to-day our processing as well. What I felt is like the important factor in that is the cost involvement. It is not so easy to procure the sustainable material and manufacture this. So it will always take a lot of expenses from our side. The second point, what I felt is like supply chain complexity. It's like, again, I can tell that procurement of this sustainable material needs a lot of transparency and coordination. If you consider the present trend in the global market, I can tell that there is a lack for this transparency and coordination. The third one, what I felt is like consumer demand. Now, also, our consumers are not ready to pay a premium for our sustainable product. That actually giving a negative thought for the investors to investment for this sustainable project. Hopefully, you will be knowing better than about this.
Yeah, that's true. We do face a lot of challenges for cost cutting, but still give the quality that the customers require.
True.
So, coming to you, Tamil, how do you think we can, or suggest some points where we can overcome these challenges?
Okay. So let me walk you through some approaches that we have. So as I mentioned earlier, so Resin always sees challenges as opportunities for innovation and growth. The first challenge that Princy pointed out is cost. So when it comes to cost, we leverage technology and automation to streamline the manufacturing process. So this not only makes our operations more cost effective, but also we make sure that we reduce the waste in every step and improves the efficiency. Second, about her point is supply chain complexity. So through collaboration, we navigate supply chain complexities. So by engaging with regulatory bodies, we create a supply chain connect where our suppliers are also aligned with these regulatory norms. And this shared responsibility creates efficiency and reduces cost. Her last point is meeting consumer demand. To address this, we meet consumer demands through education. At Wrestle, we focus on highlighting the benefits of sustainable products. For instance, the odor control and the antimicrobial solutions help extend the lifespan of these materials, reduces the requirement for frequent replacements, and lowering the production demands. In addition, it reduces the need for frequent washing so that it reduces water and energy consumption and the associated carbon emission. So, by helping consumers understand how these innovations reduce carbon emission, we encourage them to make informed decisions. Yeah, these are the choices, these are the approaches that we have.
Huh. Those are very good points.
Yeah.
Thank you for that.
Yes.
So, coming to Princy, what are the benefits of product stewardship or networking and certification for our products? I believe you are the expert here in resin who has brought a lot of certificates to resin.
Well, thank you so much for the compliment, Dr. Manju. In fact, I truly believe that the networking and collaboration, our success story also rely on the same factors. We are also having a lot of collaboration and networking with the expanding group of chemical suppliers, manufacturers, or the regulatory bodies. Through that only we have achieved our success story. I can proudly say this moment that we have achieved almost all prestigious textile certification for Rasil as well as our sister concern in World Technology Private Limited. As I mentioned before, now the people are behind the high quality sustainable product. At Rasil, we always produce high quality products and we ensure the quality by certifying these products under the umbrella of various certification bodies. This will always give an upper hand for our product in the global supply chain.
Cool. So now, as we understand, we have talked about a lot of topics in terms of sustainability and product stewardship. Let us see how this is going to help in our future, for our future generation. So looking at all the concepts that you have spoken about, how will the textile industry look or be heading towards in terms of sustainability in our future?
Okay, this is very important to know. So, looking ahead, the textile industry is going through a significant transformation, and definitely sustainability is at the heart of this evolution. And we can see three major trends shaping the future. Number one would be transparency is becoming a game changer. Number two, there's a growing focus for circularity. Number three, digitalization is revolutionizing how we all operate. So at Ressil, our commitment to sustainability goes beyond just words on paper. We take meaningful small actions to create a significant impact, building trust with customers. And at the same time, we take part in creating a future, protecting the planet as well as the people.
Okay, this has been an enlightening conversation. Thanks to this wonderful girl power here. So before we wrap up this podcast, let me know some key takeaways or key thoughts that you would like to share with our audience here today. Okay. Starting with you, Tamil.
Okay. I would like to leave a quote as a food for thought. We have not inherited this earth from our ancestors. We have borrowed it from our future generations. So this reminds us that the collective responsibility we all have as individuals. This together we can create a future where both planet and people can thrive.
Any final thoughts from you, Princy, for our audience?
To my lovely audience, please remember that sustainability is not a choice or a trend. It is our future. So let us all make a conscious effort to make a sustainable product and to consume that with the care. So until next time, let us keep working to build a sustainable world. Thank you so much.
So the key takeaways from this discussion today is that sustainability matters throughout the product life cycle. Product stewardship is all about taking the responsibility and conserving and going towards a good environment and future. Product stewardship is all about collaboration, networking, circularity, as well as building brand loyalty with our customers. And most importantly, all our product certifications and all the compliance-related activities should always stay ahead of the safety regulations because that will be our trump card for the future. Thereby, we are taking care of our products and the environmental footprint that we leave on this planet. Thank you very much and have a great day.
Thank you for tuning into this episode on Sustainable Product Stewardship. We hope it inspired you to rethink how products impact our planet. Also, share one thing that you are doing for sustainability in the comments. Be sure to subscribe and share this podcast with others who value innovative solutions. See you next time with more ideas that matter. Stay inspired, stay responsible.